Dear students, now the next question. The question is from L3 of numerical worksheet. What is the question? Let us see. It's a very easy question if you can get it properly. Let's see the question. Read the question carefully. A hollow cylindrical conductor. Conductor is there which is hollow, means cylindrical shell. It is what actually a shell of radii A and B carries a current I. Assume I am just using another color pen so that we can get it properly. Assume that it is A and this one is radius B. The current in this conductor is what? Just this is the cross section view of the shell. Okay, over its cross section, find current I is spread uniformly spread over its cross section, means in what area current is there. So I can say current is only in this area, only in this area current is there. The shaded portion is having current only. This is the region where current is there. Okay, now what is to find out? Find the magnetic field B for points inside the body. Inside means which region we should take? We are going to take a region which is inside it. So definitely it will also be a circular shape, cross section view. Okay, otherwise it will be a cylindrical shape. That is inside the body of conductor at distance r from the center. The distance of this one is what? That is, we can say r. This is r. So assume here we want to find out the magnetic field. Okay, so to find the magnetic field, we can say this dotted circle is our Amperian loop from Ampere law. Ampere circuital law. What is that law? Line integral of magnetic field is equal to mu 0 times I net. Here the whole thing is to find out the I net. That is the thing only. Now see, according to this question already given to us that current I is uniformly spread over its cross section, means the yellow shade is having current. The current is uniformly distributed. So what is the area of the shell in which current is flowing? That is what? Pi b square minus a square. This is the region which is having the current. So I can say current per unit area. Total current present in the shaded region is I. Per unit area, if I want to find out, then it should be what? Pi b square minus a square. I hope कि this point is clear. Okay, now what is our aim? Our aim is to find out I net. I net where? In this dotted circle. In this circle. Okay, current. If it is here, then the current will be only in this region. In this. So what should be the area of this then? So area, if I want to find out, I will tell it area, net area. That is what? Pi r square minus a square. Now I net is equal to what? Area in which we want to find out current into current per unit area, that is what pi b square minus a square. Here pi to pi cancel. What is remaining? Just see that. That is, I can write like this now: r square minus a square upon b square minus a square I. What is it? It is I net current. Now come to Ampere circuitry law, that is B dot dl. Now what is dl here? dl अगर मैं इंटीग्रेशन करता हूँ तो that I am going to have the total length of the Amperian loop, that is what this. So circular loop it is there, so I can say that is what then B dot 2 pi r is equal to mu 0 into I net. What is I net now? R square minus a square upon b square minus a square into I. Rm is to find out the magnetic field, so keep it one side. B is equal to mu 0 upon 2 pi r square minus a square upon b square minus a square into I, that I am just writing before the brackets. This is the answer. That's it for this question. I hope you got the question. If any doubt, you can contact me.